Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As we all know, teaching is a complex process. A teacher has to use various types of skills in the teaching process. Now the question is, what are these skills? To find the solution of this problem, we are going to discuss all the skills one by one. So in this video, we are going to discuss set induction means VISHAYABHIMUKH KAUSHALYA. So, if the beginning of what the teacher wants to teach is done in a completely natural and interesting way, then the teaching work becomes simple and easy. For this beginning, one should start the new subject matter by keeping the student's prior knowledge and prior experience in mind. Psychological moments should be created in the classroom so that the students become ready to gain new knowledge and their curiosity becomes strong and awakens. Only then does the teaching become interesting and students become oriented to the subject. The creation of situation where students show curiosity to gain new knowledge is called set induction, and the skill through which this situation is created is called the skill of set induction. So it is the meaning of our skill. Next is purpose, technique and functions. We will discuss it one by one. The purpose of this skill is to gain attention of students and relate the upcoming topic to familiar concepts. Next, techniques. The teacher can use storytelling, probing questions, visual aids, real life objects, or surprising demonstration to stimulate interest. And the function of this skill is it creates set or mental readiness, links previous knowledge to a new content. Next, objectives of this skill. Students can be made ready to acquire new knowledge. Through the process of set induction, the teacher can establish a connection at a cognitive level with the students regarding the new lesson or points to be taught. A logical connection can be made between the student's expected prior knowledge and the new knowledge or the targeted behavior. A clear idea can be given regarding what new knowledge the students has to acquire. The gap between students' prior knowledge and new knowledge can be reduced, and students get an opportunity to participate in classroom interaction. And the last point is the student can acquire new knowledge easily. So, in short, two important matters are included: to establish a connection at the cognitive level and to establish connection at the emotional level. Next point is components of this skill. To master the component of set induction skill effectively, a teacher should practice desirable behavior. This includes use of prior knowledge, use of appropriate techniques, and relevance to the objective. So, in this video, we have discussed meaning of set induction skill, how it is useful in our teaching, and which techniques we can use to connect students towards the topic. We have also discussed its function, objectives, and components. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.